Alright, so I skipped a whole lot of content because I just was not in the headspace to record my face. But I am replacing the clutch master cylinder, which is what this shit is here, which acts as the brake cylinder, but just for a clutch. And then underneath the car, once I get down there, is the slave cylinder, which I'll further explain. But right now, we are trying to like fit this line in that little grommet right there, you see? That has to go in that hole, and then that goes in that hole back there. Right here, that little grommet is what I'm trying to stick the piping through. And it's, oh shit, it came through. Oh shit, it came through. That hose, or that line that I have, connects to this reservoir here, which is your brake fluid reservoir, which connects to the master cylinder, which is this thing here, which is connected to your brake line. So those brake lines right here split off all the way down there and split off to either side. I don't have drums in the back, so, oh, there's no calipers, but it's the same thing. But what I'm trying to connect to is this hose right here, which connects to the clutch master cylinder, which is inside the car, which I just showed you guys. I'll be back and it should be connected. So now we have the hose connected to the brake fluid reservoir, and now the inside we can button up, and then we will go to the underbody of the car. So if you look closely, the bottom part of the master cylinder is now coming through the firewall, right? Well, this line is fucking jumbled. I gotta get that out. But anyway, I have to connect this line to the opening on the slave master cylinder, which I'll show in a minute. We got a visitor. Hey, come through, bro. I got a cat. I'm full of good vibes. I'm positive. I used to have a black cat. You're not trying to hear none of that, huh? All right, I'm gonna get back to it though, all right? You be safe. It's real cramped under here, so bear with me, but this right here, this fitting, is gonna connect to, where's the hole at? This hole right here, and then it'll go, shit, it's tight under here. Where is it? Right there. You see that, those threads? That connects right into there. The slave cylinder is in, right? So there's that bolt right there. And there's one hiding up top. You can just see it. So I tightened those down. That top bolt is annoying, but we did that. Anyway, now I gotta go up top, fill the brake fluid reservoir with brake fluid, and then I will bleed this screw and show you a cool method. Well, if you drive manual, a cool method to get the air out of the system and bleed your clutch at the same time. So now, usually this is a two-person job. You can see here it says use DOT, depends on your model. Usually it says it on your brake master cylinder. I got the DOT4. So what I'm gonna do is pour some of this bad boy up in there, get it liquefied, and then I'm gonna pour some of this in my little you know, Wizard of Oz, the Wizard of Oz dude, the little thing he be using. It's an oil can pump connected to some PTFE or PVC, yeah, PTFE, which is gonna connect to the little bleed nipple on there. We're gonna pump the oil from the bottom of the car up to the reservoir. What usually happens is the air bubbles that are in the system naturally dissipate because air rises. So it's gonna come out, and then the clutch will be fully bled. We're gonna lefty-loosey that bleeder screw, and then pump in the brake fluid from inside the can, through the tube, into the slave cylinder, which goes into the master cylinder, which comes up top, and then we should be good. That was hella super annoying to get on, but we got the tube on. The thing should be back there somewhere. Yeah, Please don't deny me. So we're back under here. Let me see if I get a good angle. So essentially, I have to mate this. See, there's one bolt here. There's one hole here, one hole back here, and I have to mate those holes with this hole right here up top, and then I'll move this to the side. You can kind of see it in the. Don't focus on my finger. There's two holes there, and then this major big hole connects to the clutch pedal right here. Yep. And then we're almost in business. So now everything's bolted up. We got the big bolt in there. We got, you see right there in the back, there's one. Other one you can't really see. Oh yeah, you can, there it is. That's the other one right there in the back. Everything's bolted up. Pedal is, oh shit, pedal is much harder to push down, which is what I like to see. It is fixed. Now I can go to sleep and cry. Thanks for watching.